I'm hot than you.
Okay guys, today we are going to react to emoji cat cringe again, since it completely blew up.
So don't forget to like, subscribe, and enjoy the video.
Okay dude, there are many things to do on YouTube, and you decide to come up with this. In my opinion,
This is one of the cringiest videos I have ever seen.
it literally doesn't even mean anything.
The world before this video. The world after.
Not going to lie, but I couldn't agree more with that person.
Not subtle.
Are you serious?
I don't care if you hate on me. At least I have a girlfriend.
Looks like someone's mad. Go cry about it, bitch.
Bro, this is not tough. This is stupid.
Rate me out of 10, you will.
Negative infinity out of 10.
Negative 90 out of 10.
Bunch of millions out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Man, shut your
0.
3 out of 10.
Eiffel was.
Adrian. 1 out of 10.
You will.
By the way, negative infinity out of 10. How do you sit on a chair?
Genuinely, why do kids do this?
Gooner animation.
Yeah, no shit.
Why did you break my chair?
POV Roblox link.
No one is going to this shit.
Oh my god, it's so good.
We're flying to Philadelphia. Oh, hell no! That's hell no! Reminder!
Even my chat is scared of watching this.
Nice animation.
Shut your bitch ass up.
Just like a little old batch, all up in front of my company. Had to check his ass when he checked up and bucking. Talking to him while I'm beating his ass, pumping beer, talking about nigga, you don't got your face on. I'm hands up.
Sorry to break it to a body, but nobody is simping for that.
Do you like me, you will.
How are we going to like you when you didn't even try make your OC?
This is just garbage.
Since when were we shipping spunky characters? And who even are you? You're so unknown that a dad probably forgot about you and left you with the milk ever since you were born. I'm just going to check the comments to see if the community has adapted more or has devolved.
Did you get kicked out of YouTube Shorts?
We left someone in 2020, guys.
No.
because she hated on me.
Ha ha, Shelly is mine.
Life, no one can give you a second life. You have to discover the truth.
At the fact that he is probably too young for this app. But anyways, let's just move on.
According to my calculations. Yes, apple snail eggs should be crushed or otherwise destroyed to prevent them from hatching and spreading. These snails are considered invasive and pose a threat to ecosystems and agriculture.
I know how the game goes because I have to play it with humans. Time has its limits. Life is so gambled. No one can give you a second life. You have to discover the truth by yourself because...
First of all...
Hey, y'all, come look at this.